Hi everyone, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, with another really cool recipe. Today, well, I'm gonna be listening to some of the fans that they've been like sending us some questions and asking me for anything that it will be healthy to drink. Well, today we're gonna have the Gin Kombucha cocktail. So please stay with me. Let me show you how we're gonna be using this guy. Okay, so the Gin Kombucha cocktail. Very simple, you guys. I mean, if you pay attention to the ingredients, I mean, you're gonna understand that actually this thing is gonna be delicious, refreshing, and somehow healthy. This is gonna be the case of the Campari. I mean, Campari is aperitif Italian liqueur that actually is made out of herbs. So it's supposed to be kind of like a digestive or an aperitif. And this guy actually what it does is just stimulates your appetite or helps you through the digestion. Obviously, we're gonna have some kombucha. In this case, we're gonna have the gingerade. I mean, this is kombucha saturated with ginger. So either you can have fresh ginger and you can grate it, or you can get the actual kombucha with ginger. So either way you like it, let me show you how you make it. First thing that we're gonna do, let's go for 2 ounces of gin. Obviously, you can choose any gin of your preference. Let's go for 1 ounce of Campari. Let's go for half of an ounce of lemon juice. Let's put some ice. Like I said, either you can get the kombucha with the ginger, or you can get just regular kombucha and also get fresh ginger, and you're gonna grate it, shake it in your shaker, and by the time the cocktail is ready, you just fine strain it, okay? So let's put this guy together. This is gonna be a tall glass. Let's make sure we put our cocktail in it. And let's top it up with your kombucha. For your garnish, if you've seen my past video, we're teaching you how to do these really cool lime or lemon dehydrated wheels. I will always suggest and recommend to put a little bit of sugar and a couple pinches of salt by the time that you put them into either your toaster, or you can put them in an air fryer and just let it for about 10-15 minutes until it gets this really nice cool dark color. Put them in there, and there you have it, you guys. The Gin Kombucha cocktail, or a healthy cocktail. Salud.